All Class II disposal wells are constructed with multiple surface casing designs for the purpose of eliminating the possibility of the saltwater leaking into underground sources of drinking water. The following well casing design is one example of how this is done. Designed to protect drinking water aquifers, surface casing is installed to keep any potential contamination on the surface from entering around the well. Steel casing pipe is cemented into the hole down to at least 100 feet below the water source. In some designs, inside the surface casing is another layer of cement that surrounds a second steel pipe called the long string casing. Inside the long string casing is another steel pipe, the injection tubing. It can also be lined with plastic, adding yet another layer of reinforcement. This multi-layered construction provides an exceptional barrier between the saltwater, freshwater zone and the surrounding geological formations. The annulus, the area between the long string casing and injection tubing, is filled with a pressurized non-corrosive fluid all the way from the surface to just above the disposal zone. The wellbore and protective casing runs through many different layers of rock, many of which have very low permeability. Permeability is the measure of a rock or sediment's flow efficiency. The depth of the well and the number of rock layers that lie between the underground source of drinking water and the disposal zone will vary depending on the local geology. Many of these rock layers have trapped hydrocarbons and saltwater underground for hundreds of millions of years. Because